Today's SAT question of the day is...
Okay, so in this problem, we're given that the sine of angle B is 3/4, and they want to know what the length of BC is. So let's start with the given information. The sine of any angle would be equal to opposite side over hypotenuse. So since they gave us 3/4, that would correlate to the opposite side being 3 and then the hypotenuse being 4. So I can go ahead and label the hypotenuse now as measuring 4. And that correlates to the picture as well. So as you see, the opposite side of angle B is already labeled with a 3. So from here, we're now looking for this missing side, BC. So we're going to call that X for now. And then anytime you have two sides of a right triangle, but you're just missing the third side, you're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So that's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now you want to identify what side is A, B, and C. So A and B are the legs of the triangle, and C is the hypotenuse. So as we said earlier, the hypotenuse is this side that we labeled with a 4. So that's going to be our C. And then A and B are just the legs. Doesn't really matter which leg, but normally like A is the shorter leg and B is the longer leg. So we're going to write out 3 squared plus x squared equals 4 squared. So again, we already know two sides of the triangle, which is 3 and 4, and we're just looking for that missing third side. So that's what we filled in to the Pythagorean theorem here. Okay, so now just finishing with that, we have 3 squared is 9, x squared is just x squared, and 4 squared is 16. So now I can subtract 9 to the other side, and I get that x squared is equal to 7. So then lastly, we're just going to square root both sides to isolate x, and we get that x is equal to radical 7. That's what was missing here. BC equals radical 7.
If you need help with math, book a session with me online or in person at feelingalgebraic.com.